I'd be raking in the dough, baby. So I'm gonna take this roach clip. Of course, when I ordered this, I didn't order the Metatrekkie nuts here. This little duker will unplug right here. Just push that little button down, and there she goes. That's out of the way. Who knows? You know, it's a Chrysler for God's sakes. I mean, you know. And of course, he's no help. Welcome to RCindustry. Well, hey, it's Rick here, and welcome to another exciting episode of RCindustry. Well, today we're going to get the convertible out, and we got a couple of things we need to do to it. One, whenever the top goes up, there's a rock or something that has gotten in between the framing and the vinyl top, and you can feel it, and I'm afraid it might work a hole in it. I guess it's a rock. It could be a screw or something. Who knows? You know, it's a Chrysler for God's sakes. I mean, you know. Anyway, and the door closer. Let's see, where is that thing at? I think I might have made a video on that. Yeah, this thing right here. This thing just she broke and caused the door to stand wide open, and so I had to take it apart to get the door shut. So we got a new one of those to put in. So anyway, let's back this thing out of here, because as you can see, well, maybe you can't see, but I got so much stuff in this garage I can't even get in over there hardly. So let's back it out and see if we can, you know, see if we can work on this a little bit. All right, show you more. I don't know how good this is going to turn out, because it's pretty windy, but I'm going to raise this top up a little bit, and we're going to see if we can figure out what that bump is in here. A little nodule or something. See if we can find it. Well, I'm not feeling it. See, right there is what I'm feeling. Let me see if I can get my hand up in there and figure out exactly what that is. Gotta be something. Let's see if I can get my hand down in there. Yep, here it is. Just as I suspected, it's a little acorn. I knew there was something. I was afraid it was going to poke a hole in that. See, now it's smooth right through there. Okay, well, that's one catastrophe fixed. Let's take a look at this door. We got to work on this door. All right, show you more. Well, I know it's kind of hard to see, but that closer piece goes right in there and holds this door open, because otherwise the wind can catch it and just take it on out. And plus, when you're trying to get out, you know, and you're having to hold that thing open, she just don't work too good. So, all right, let's get this taken apart. It's not much. We have to take the speaker grill out. We have to take the speaker out. Then we can reach up in there and install that new closer. All right, show you more. Today's video sponsor is Ace Home Health Cleaner, Hearth Cleaner. Yeah, removes smoke and grease from fireplaces, stoves, grills, and more. You can just do all kinds of stuff with this. Just spritz a little on there, and it'll come out. There it goes. Yeah, just spritz some on there. Got some on the wall over here. We'll just clean the wall up. Yeah. Anyway, remember, Ace's Home and Hearth Cleaner. All right, let's see what we got here. If I remember right, this just pops off of there. There we we go. There's that. Then we got to take this out of there. Get this spiker out of the way. Okay, there's that. This little duker will unplug right here. Just push that little button down and there she goes. That's out of the way. Put that over there so we don't break that. Now, let's see what. Oh yeah, we gotta take these out, and then this plastic will come out of the way so we can get our hand in there. Take that out of the way. Take this out of the way. Oops. Uh-oh. That wasn't good. Drop that down in there somewhere. Right there. That out of there before we lose it forever. And there's this little duker here. That should release that. What am I missing? Can't remember. Oh, there's a screw down here. That's what it is. Well, there must be another one holding her someplace. I don't know where it's at. Oh, let's see if I can find it down here. Took that one out. I remembered before it seemed like it just pulled right up there, but let's go ahead and take these two out and see what we got. Alright, show you more. Okay, so that was loose enough I was able to work this lining up out of here. And I did have to raise the window all the way up to get the glass out of the way. And then you can reach your hand up in here all the way and we'll put that new piece in right there. And then it bolts on right there. So let's go get that piece and make sure it works right. Show you more. Of course, when I ordered this, I didn't order the Metatrekkie nuts here. So I found one. We got to get another Metatrekkie over here. So I'm going to take this roach clip. I'm going to dig around in here and see if we can find another one of them Metatrekkies. So if you guys do this, remember to order the right nuts to go on this. Alright, show you more. Well, I can only find one Metatrekkie bolts or nut, so we're going to take this 1/4 inch tap and we're going to make this one an American standard here, but I had to modify my little doogie whopper here because you can't get it all the way around. But this will cut some new threads on her. Alright, show you more. Okay, so this thing will only go in one way. Well, it'll go in both ways, but it'll only let the door close one way. So you see how this arch is? That's got to be out towards the door. If you put it in this way, she's not going to worky. So let's take our homemade nut off of here because we had to tap that thing out too. And I got some washers. And then we got the Metatrekkie here. So we'll put that one. That one's going to go on the top. And then we're going to reach up in there and slide it in. So I'll try to get the camera up here where you can see this. Alright, show you more. Alright, let's see how we do. Put this up in there. My big old beaters won't hardly get in this door. Just about all I can do to get my hand in there. Now, of course, that thing fell. And I don't know, it fell the wrong way. So I'm going to turn it around. Let's see here. Gotta get that up in there, like so. There we go. can see that's kind of protruding through there, sort of, kind of. Gotta find the little part right here. I'm working kind of blind here because I can't see what I got going on. There's one screw hole through. There we go. Yeah, just like that. All right, let's put us a washer on here, and the Metatreki goes up here. And then let's put our homemade 1/4" 28 threads bolt there and nut, and get my hand back out of here maybe. Oh golly. Woo! Now let's get up in here and take these screws out where that hooks into. All right, show you more. I have no idea what Chrysler thought they was trying to bolt in here, but this bolt, it's a 10mm. That thing must be an inch long. What in the world? Good grief. Look at that thing. Would you look at that? That don't need to be that long. All right, let's see if we can get this over here on this. Try to get you what I'm, so you can see what I'm trying to do here. See this thing right here has got to go in these little screw holes. Have got to screw in there. So that's what I'm going to work on. All right, show you more.
Yeah, that's where I'm at. I got my car in the shop too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's got a. I lost a freeze plug on it, and okay. I'm going to have them put new freeze plugs in it. That modified has got 3 freeze plugs along each side. It doesn't have one in the back like a lot of them do. Phone, because that old boy was calling about the LTD, and probably one of them, you know, just kind of more nosy than anything kind of guys, but that's all right. You know, it is for sale, and I've got. I haven't made a video on it yet, but you saw the video where we changed the antifreeze. And we took that thing for a spin that day, and I'll be darned if we didn't lose another freeze plug like we did down at the NoNameNationals. So I've got it over at Denny's. He's gonna get it up on the lift because I just can't get under it, and I ain't got no way to pull the motor. And he's gonna put new freeze plugs along each side, and then we're going to. It don't have freeze plugs in the back like some of them, like the Windsor and some of them other Ford motors has got, you know, one in the back side. Well, it doesn't have that. It's got ones along the sides, and so don't have to pull the transmission because there isn't one in the back. So anyway, so he's going to do that for me, and we're going to get her back on the road. All right, show you more. Yeah, so she shuts and opens. I'd just call that a win. All right, let's get her put back together. Show you more. All right, guys, well, that about does it. I got the old one taken off. Well, it was already off, actually. And got the new one put on, so there we go. Let's throw that in the scrap metal box. That thing goes in the cardboard box recycle bin or whatever. Anyway, yep, scrap metal bin, recycle bin for the cardboard, you know, whatever it takes. Hey, thanks for coming along. I think this morning we just hit 2,900 subscribers. That's awesome. But remember, if you aren't subscribed and you're watching, go ahead and reach up there and hit that subscribe button, because, you know, only 23, is it 23 or 24% of you that watch my videos are subscribed. So if you were all subscribed, man, I'd be raking in the dough, baby. No, probably not. But anyway, I would have enough subscribers to get monetized. Or enough watch hours to get monetized. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Ring the bell. Do all that stuff you know you're supposed to do for all of us out here working for free to give you good content. Well, that's to be decided. But anyway, as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby. Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.